Hello guys, let's do and create our last mini project or exercise on Python. The exercise is that age group classifier objective. Create a program that categorizes people into different age group based on their age. Ask them to use the internal number. Use if statement to determine the age based on the following categories: child, teenager, adult, senior. Okay, pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. If you can't solve it by yourself, go and watch again the two previous videos to understand the aspect and then solve it. You need to solve it to go to the rest of the course and make it perfect. If you can't solve it by now, maybe you need to try harder or try to redoing the algorithm problems we have here. Okay, after you try to solve it, go and see the rest of the video from here. Okay, let's try to solve it. It's really easy, really easy. I'm going to copy this line of code here and use it. I can easily use it. Okay, enter your age. Your age is 25. I just copy that, enter your age. I'm losing the code from the previous lesson. Okay, here we get the age. I just change it to age. And thus I change it to age. Let me make it a small age. Okay, let's see if we can solve it for this age. The first age is 0 to 12. We got from the higher to the lower. Its age is from the 65 and we don't have the, let's put 200. We call it senior. I think as okay, senior, it's right. Let's go to adult. It's bigger than 20 and smaller than 64. Call it adult. It's from 19 to 13. It's bigger than 13 and smaller than 19. We call it teenager. From the 12 to 0, we call it child. 0 to 12, we call it child. I some kind of remember the child character from Genshin Impact. His name was Child too. Okay, now we create all of them. We don't need that. Now we just need to, you are an adult. Okay, it's easy. We just copy that, paste it here. You are an adult. Let's run it. Your age is 68. You are a senior. We need to delete this. Let's run it another time. Your age 39, adult. The code is running perfectly. We estimate the code. It's really easy. It's quite a little project. You can do this before we are going to the next problems. And don't underestimate the power of problem solving. Just try to solve many problems as you can. Here we end our if problems. Don't forget, for becoming a programmer, you need to program like you need to write for becoming a writer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is quite a fast and easy lesson. We just put a review on the problems and end this video. Okay, at first we create we create 3 projects. We create a project for simple calculator. The code is here. We have it. I put it in the comments of the lesson. We create a grade divider code. I also put it on the comment lesson, and we have a code on grading age group classifier. I put it onto comment too. We are going to learn about data types in the next lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It means a word to me. Have a good day until tomorrow.